Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accounts receivable. Accounts receivable. Accounts receivable. Accounts receivable is a financial term that represents the amounts owed to a business by its customers or clients for goods or services that have been provided but not yet paid for. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The company's accounts receivable balance increased this quarter due to higher sales. Why accounts receivable is used in example number 1. Accounts receivable refers to the financial record of amounts owed to the company by its customers. Example number 2. Accounts receivable turnover is a financial metric that indicates the efficiency of a company's credit policies. Why accounts receivable is used in example number 2. This highlights accounts receivable turnover is a financial metric used to assess the effectiveness of a company's credit policies and its ability to collect receivables. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.